NEET PG 2023 application process has started on January 7. As the application window for the exam will remain open till January 27, candidates seeking admission to PG medical courses need to hurry up and apply. This video of Shiksha brings to you the step-by-step procedure on how to fill the application form of NEET PG 2023. The first step is to visit the official website of NEET PG, which is nbe.edu.in, and select NEET PG on the homepage. Click on the application link in the right side of the page, which will lead you to the registration page. Before proceeding for registration, candidates are advised to read the information brochure and image uploading instructions carefully. Click on the registration link and field details such as name, date of birth, email ID, and mobile number. Submit two separate OTPs, one sent to your email ID and one to your mobile number. After submission of OTPs and re-verifying the details, a registration ID and password will be sent to your email and mobile number. Log in with registration ID and password to complete the application form where personal, academic, and internship details have to be filled. The next step is to upload documents as per the size and format mentioned in the information brochure. You have to upload the documents including 2 photographs, scanned image of signature, thumb impression, and MBBS certificate. While the images will be in JPG, JPEG, or PNG formats, the MBBS certificate needs to be in PDF format. The last and final step is the paying of exam fee. You have to select one of the modes of online payment, which are net banking, credit card, debit card, Paytm, and UPI. Select the payment gateway and proceed for payment. Once the payment is complete, you will receive an application confirmation notification on your email. You are advised to take a printout of the NEET PG application confirmation page and preserve it till the admission process gets over. This was all about NEET PG 2023 application process. Hope this video was useful. Like, share, and subscribe to shiksha.com YouTube channel for more such videos.